These are the untold stories of Miss Julie in Rainbow World in the Science Lab.
Wow! Wow! Look at this cool stuff! Wait, I look like a mad scientist? I am not a mad scientist. I am a nice, happy scientist. Okay, we are about to do a really cool science experiment. Let's see, let's try to figure out what's going on here. I see glasses, I see food coloring, I see some different materials over there. What science experiment is this? I know, it's a rainbow explosion. Are you ready? We are going to make rainbow explosions. I'm so excited. Okay, first things first. Let's pour in our baking soda. Get that baking soda in there. And we're going to pour it in. So I've got just about like that much baking soda. Next, I actually use baking soda at my house to wash all my fruits and vegetables. Now, we are gonna take this and we are gonna put some vinegar in here. Miss Julie, what are you up to? You're about to find out. Woo-hoo-hoo. That smells like vinegar. Yuck. Okay, now before we do that, we're gonna take this little guy and we're gonna drop this red food dye right into the baking soda. Are you ready? Let's do it. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, now we're starting with red because red is the first color in the rainbow. Now, what's the next color in the rainbow? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now, we have a problem because I only see red, yellow, green, and blue. What are we gonna do? Oh, we can mix them? So how are we gonna make orange? A little bit of red and a little bit of yellow? Are you serious? Okay, I think maybe just like a drop or two of red, okay? And then we'll do a few drops of yellow. All right, now, what can I use to mix this up? What's that sound? It's my magic wand. Perfect. Look at how beautiful it is. We're gonna use this to mix it up. Are you ready? Mix it up, mix it up, mix it, mix it, mix it up. Okay, next. Red, orange, yellow. And we'll put lots of yellow. And we'll mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Yeah, you gotta mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Alrighty. We need purple. But I don't see any purple food coloring. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? I think we might be able to mix two food coloring colors together. What two colors make purple? Does yellow and red make purple? No. Does green and orange make purple? No. What about red and blue? Yes! Okay, let's try it. Are you ready? A little bit of red, a little bit of blue. You know what to do. Okay, we'll do 2 drops of red and 2 drops of blue. We'll see how that goes. Let's see. You might want to do a little more red actually. But let's see first. What? I'm not seeing any colors here. Hold on. Let's try again. Whoa, I put a lot of red that time. Oops. Oopsie daisy. Okay, lots of blue too. Okay, now let's try again. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Hey, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Yeah, you gotta mix it up. Mix that baking soda up. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. And I mostly see blue, which means that we need a little more red. Okay. We'll put a lot of red. That should do the trick. Right? Right. Okay. And now I'm starting to see the purple in there. It's like a really dark purple, but it's there. It's there. All right. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the rainbow explosion. Let's do this. All we need is our vinegar and a little bit of dish soap. So I'll put that dish soap in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Are you ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, pour! Whoa! Look at that red volcano. Whoa! Here comes yellow. I think the red needs a little more vinegar to get going. Here comes green. Whee! Here comes blue. And here comes purple on the loose. Whoa! This is incredible. I love it. Now, something even cooler and kookier to do is we'll pour a little milk in there and it'll help the color be a little bit more intense. You see that? Wow. That is awesome. I love it. What colors do you see? I see red, yellow, orange, green, blue, and purple. This is so cool. Wait, uh-oh. I just realized I mixed two up. Is this one orange or is this one? They both look on the orange side, but this is orange and this is yellow. Okay, now, what should we do with this activity? I think we should make the explosion even bigger. Are you ready? Let's do this. Let's go crazy. Woo! Let's do this. We're gonna make it even bigger. Okay, yellow, you better be ready to go. Okay. I am not a mad scientist. I am not. I just like science because science is awesome. Okay. Whoa, I almost put the green in the blue. Okay, let's do this. Woo! Let's do this. Oh wait, our purple turned brown. What? How'd that happen? Okay, now, get ready. We are gonna dump more vinegar in there. Woo! This is crazy. I love it. Woo! Whoa! Rainbow explosions! I love it. And let me tell you why this incredible experiment is happening like this. When baking soda and vinegar mix, they create a chemical reaction. And that reaction makes the bubbles go really, really big and foamy and explode. So what happens when you mix baking soda and vinegar? An explosion! That is so cool. Okay, friends, now, what should we do with this science experiment? Maybe we should do what scientists do and write about it. R is for rainbow. Let's write it. Let's start with an uppercase R. I'll use this pencil, but you use your finger to write in the air. Follow along. A straight line down, back to the top, and a nice closed curve. Now a little line to the side. Great work! Now let's write a lowercase r. A little line down, back to the top, and a little open curve. There, we did it! We wrote an uppercase and a lowercase r. Kiss your brain, my friends. Up on your feet or in your seat, get ready to move to the beat. R-O-I-G-B-I-B, R-O-I-G-B-I-B, R-O-I-G-B-I-B. It's the colors of the rainbow, R-O-I-G-B-I-B. rainbows are amazing. Don't forget to hit subscribe and make sure to search for Miss Julie's World anytime on YouTube, Spotify, or Apple Music. Thanks for learning with me.